Now I would like to show you the teachers section. If you click on that, you get to see some things that only teachers get to see. The pupils and guests and the outside world are excluded from this section, even if the project activities are public. The teacher section is only available for us. Here you can find a forum, a file archive, and the wiki that we used for Valladolid. I've moved it down to the bottom because our visit is over, and we can concentrate on these two things. In the file archive you have, for example, the folder official documents, and also this wonderful folder with the outcomes of the Valladolid meeting, with the protocol and all the work that Christina has done for us. I'm going back to the teachers section here to show you a little more. Here are some official documents, which means that's the application and extractions from that. Here is a folder that Adele has put there, but she will move it to a different place. And this is a folder where I stored some images that I'm using in this section. This is a forum where we can add different topics. They are called categories, and we have one category for Valladolid, and we had this one, if you remember, for the very beginning, where we said hello. And a very important part, I think, is this section. That's the help section, the question and answer board. If you click on that, you see that there are 3 threads that I and Yari have opened, as you can see here. It's good to read through there if you have questions, or even post a new thread if you want to ask something that could be interesting for others as well. Then you click on post new thread and type in your question, and I will read it and maybe answer, or maybe even other people can answer that. A very important point is that you should use this button to decide whether you want to subscribe to a topic, or maybe even to a category. I'm going back to the teachers section, where I see the forum again, and here is the help section again, and I can also here go to actions and unsubscribe in my case, because I have subscribed to this whole category, which means if ever anyone of you writes a message in here, then I get an email, just like you are used to from the mailbox. Normally you're not notified if anything happens here, but if you subscribe to a category, then you'll get an informational email about what's going on here. I've not subscribed to this, but I have subscribed to the question answer board, and I think it's a good idea to do that as well for you. So that's the forum. Make good use of it, and if you have a question, have a look here first. Maybe your question has been answered already. So that's that so far for the Teacher's Corner.